How to join YouTube Premium family from another country. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to join YouTube Premium family from another country. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch YouTube on your website or any device. Click the profile icon at top right corner of the screen and select Google account. Now tap or click on Payments and Subscription at bottom left corner of this screen. Select Manage Payment Methods under Payment Methods. Now click on Add a Payment Method. And after that, you have to choose your card number, and after that you enter add the cardholder names as well, and you have to shade a different billing address so that you can join YouTube Premium family from another country. Simply after that, select the save button and successfully you can join YouTube Premium family from another country. That's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.